How to accept Collab on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now is to go to the notifications section that says you've been invited to collaborate on a post. Tap on it to open the post. If you see a post with a collaboration, tap on the Review button. Once you're on the post, you'll see a message that says you've been invited to be a collaborator. This will bring up a new screen that explains what happens when you accept the request. The post will be shared on your profile and with your followers, and you'll be listed as a co-author. If you're ready to accept, tap the Accept button. Instagram will then process your request, and you'll see a confirmation message saying that you are now a collaborator on the post. Now, go back to your profile and refresh the page. The post should now appear in your feed with both your name and the original poster's name listed as co-authors. This is a great way to collaborate with others and share content with a wider audience. If you ever want to remove yourself as a collaborator, you can do so by tapping on the 3 dots on the post and selecting Stop Sharing. That's how to accept Collab on Instagram.